Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili pickle recipe, full guide. Start by sterilizing a jar and gathering 1 cup chopped chilies, 2 tablespoon mustard seeds, and 1/2 cup oil. Toast spices lightly to release aroma and grind coarsely. Mix chilies with salt and spice powder, then heat oil and pour hot over the mixture. Seal the jar, let it rest for 3 days, and enjoy with meals. Chop chilies to your preferred size and wear gloves if you want to avoid irritation. Pat them completely dry so the pickle remains shelf-stable and crisp. Toast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon coriander until they pop, then pulse briefly in a grinder. Combine ground spices with chilies and salt, mixing until evenly coated. Warm 1/2 cup oil and cool slightly before pouring slowly over the jar mixture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel great when you're cooking at the stove or running errands. I link the product in the description along with other deals so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm the oil gently and add a safetida or curry leaves for extra aroma if you like. Pour hot oil evenly over the chili and spice mix so the sizzle locks in flavor and reduces raw bite. Allow the jar to cool uncovered, then seal and keep at room temperature for a few days to mature. After it develops preferred tang and heat, move to the fridge to slow fermentation and extend shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.